Okay, so I'm gonna make title, which is graduation rate, Blacks and Hispanics for institution name. Okay, show filter for this. Make a light drop down. And boom. Now I'm making it to a dashboard. So you see Appalachian State's numbers. Very nice. And then making to a story. Enrollments. Try dashboard 1. And how do I add another story point? There it goes. Graduation rate. Check out dashboard 2. Boom. So yeah. So you get predictive stories. You got one for enrollments. You got one for graduation rates. And so yeah, just go over who used this again. Admission administrators, policy makers, universities. Kind of went over enrollments. So for graduation rates, why would they use this? To see projected graduation rates for their institution or for on average of the whole country. And that goes for the whole population of the institution or just for Blacks and Hispanics in their institution. And what info would they get? They would get projections for 2023 and 2024. When they will use it, they will use it now. Since it's projected for 2023, 2024, you have to use it before those years. And where will they use it? They will use it at their respective schools. Now, unless they work, there's some higher ed government job, then I guess they could use it for the whole country. And how would they use the info? They will look at this and gather insights about future graduation rates, and if anything seems off, they could go ahead and make up some type of policy that will provide better support for any groups, Blacks, Hispanics, or even the whole university, that will help increase the opportunities and chances of graduating. And so that way graduation rate can be increased for the school and for ethnic groups specifically. And so now I'm going to share this. You go here, save it, export, you go to server, Tableau Public, save the Tableau Public, save, enable complete action, don't understand why. Oh, it's being used by another process. Probably because Tableau Prep is open, I can't save it right here, but that's how I would do it. Just go here, server, and go ahead, save Tableau Public, go publish your workbook too. But the same thing. It's because Tableau Prep is open up too, so I gotta delete. I gotta X out here. Yeah, if I want to save this, I go to add output step, save the extract, and publish this to export as a package flow. I can publish a flow too from right here to a Tableau server that we don't have. So yeah, this is our predictive analytics. Thank you.